MicroJig's MatchFit Pop Stops provide the functions of a flip stop with less hassle and at a fraction of the cost. They can be positioned nearly anywhere within your MatchFit half-inch wide 14-degree dovetail grooves and locked in place with the included screwdriver. The stop flexes into the groove when you place stock over it. No need to move the pop stop or flip anything out of the way. As the part is moved, the stop pops up out of the groove, ready to position your stock where you set it. Pop stops are economical, so you can set them anywhere needed for all the common cuts you make. Pop stops don't rely on gravity, so they can be used on sled bases and tabletops like no flip stop can. They can even be used for presetting angles on your jigs and sleds. Use MatchFit Pop Stops on your table saw, drill press, and miter saw. Anywhere you have a dovetail groove, you can set a pop stop. Ask for them at your local MicroJig retailer, find them online, or at microjig.com.